The possible reasons why a PayPal account may change from a personal to a business account include receiving a high volume of payments, which may prompt an automatic upgrade to accommodate increased activity. Using the account to sell goods or services may also trigger this change, as it aligns with business activities. Additionally, violating PayPal's policies or requiring additional information to ensure compliance with regulations may necessitate an upgrade to a business account. Furthermore, tax and legal obligations associated with business income may make a business account necessary. It is advisable to review PayPal's terms and policies to fully understand the exact reasons behind the change in account type. These reasons underscore the potential causes for a PayPal account to be changed from a personal to a business account, and understanding them can help clarify the situation.